So these are from Max Track brand. This is Matthew New construction vehicle. This is the loader machine, bulldozer. Just the excavator.
And the water, the train flow in the water.
Nice.
The train flow in the water. The train flow in the water. The train destroyed. The train destroyed.
Okay. When he dig it like this.
The train destroyed.
Dig like that. Okay. What's that the other one? This one is dump truck. Now what's that, Nak? You tell mommy.
Dump truck.
Oh, you fix your train.
You can stay home with Neulasta Onpro.
Strong chemo can put you
You fix your train.
Neulasta helps reduce infection risk by boosting red blood cell count, which strengthens your immune system. In a key study, Neulasta reduced the risk of infection from 17% to 1%.
I'm sinking.
Sinking in the water. As if your blanket is a river.
Patients receiving strong chemotherapy do not take Neulasta.
Is that so, Nak? Oh, it's sinking.
Filgrastim.
Dump truck is sinking.
Fatal as well as serious lung problems, allergic reactions, kidney
Here's the stop sign.
occur.
We need the
Stop
boat.
sign.
One needs became a boat.
Another one is... What is this to it? Unsa ni na sign?
So why go back there?
Clean for...
You'd rather be home. Ask your doctor about Neulasta.
excavation sign. Stop and the excavation sign. Now what's that, Nak?
The boat became a boat.
The dump truck became a boat?
And let me play.
What's that, Nak? What's that, Nak?
Take it one game at a time. Next question.
Rescue boat.
Oh,
Turn the wheels.
your dump truck became a rescue boat?
Became a rescue boat to rescue the fish. Gotcha. Fish. Here, I got some fish.
Where's your fish there?
The fish. I got the fish.
You got
The one fish. The one fish going swimming.
Really?
Go. Got it.
Look at your mountain, oh. This is Matthew Mountain. He make mountain. And this one is the blanket is the as if this is the river, huh?
Fall down the river.
Fall down the river.
Help me. I'm like It became a rescue boat. Dive in. Rescue boats and dump trucks. Rescue boat.
Rescue boat.
Became a rescue boat. Here's the rescue boat.
Oh,
Became a rescue boat.
yes. You insisted that's a rescue boat, but actually it's a dump truck.
Became a rescue boat.
Okay, the dump truck became a rescue boat
And became a dump truck.
and became a dump truck and again.
Have a wheel speed. Became a rescue boat. That was to rescue the fish. The
Yeah.
fish is so far. That rescue.
Walt missed a good open three. And Warriors
Uy, what happened to your train? You fixed your train. Oh, look at that.
Julia, who was a reluctant
funny.
layup shooter, in
So
the
funny.
somehow managed to get that one to fall.
The train crashed.
You,
Became a rescue
you say it, B. You say it. Watch my video. What's that, B? Watch. Yes. Thank you for watching.
9-day layoff.
Miss?
Became a rescue boat. Became a rescue boat.
That's a rescue
Yo,
boat.
I think it's mine.
Yeah.
Yo, that's mine. Yo.
Yes.
Became a rescue boat.
Yes. Thank you for watching for my video. What's that?
That's my hello. there became a rescue boat. It became a rescue boat.
Okay.
Watching.
Quickest
And
advance of a
subscribe.
foul.
Bye-bye.
As soon as the whistle blows, thrillers